Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to attend this personality assessment test and what are the instructions to be followed while taking this test. You will be getting this kind of document in which you need to take this test. Enter your full name, your WhatsApp number, email ID and your address. You no need to enter your complete address, just mention your area name, that will be fine. This test is conducted to know the personality of a person. There will be no positive marks or negative marks for the answers you give. The result exposes only the nature of a person, and please you no need to worry about the result. This test contains of two sections. Section 1 has 32 questions and section 2 has 36 questions. Test will be very simple. All questions are based on situations. You need to rate yourself marks on a scale of 0 to 5 according to the situation. Here are the key instructions you need to keep in your mind while rating marks. For every question, your answer should be 504132 or 051423. If you are very confident on situation 1, you can rate it as 5 and the second situation should be 0. When you add both situation 1 and 2, your score should be equal to 5 and it should not be less than 5 or greater than 5. And your answer should not be in decimals like 2.5, 2.5 or 1.5, 3.5. It should be a complete number. For your understanding, let's take this first question. Making decisions after finding out what others think. Making decisions without consulting others. For example, you are going to buy a two-wheeler. If you have enough knowledge on two-wheelers, you will be taking decision on your own. And if you don't have any knowledge about two-wheelers, you will be taking suggestions from your friends or family members. According to their suggestions and your thinking, you will be purchasing that two-wheeler. In this scenario, I don't have any idea about two-wheelers. I will take suggestions from my friends and I will buy the bike. So I will rate 5 and I don't take decisions on my own. So I will rate 0 for this. For the same question, there can be another scenario also. I have interest to buy a bike of a particular brand like Honda and I don't know which model to choose. In this situation, own decision and the decision taken consulting my friends will take place. So I rate 2 for taking friends' advice and 3 for my own decisions. When I add these two, then I will be getting the answer 5. So in the same way, you need to complete the remaining 31 answers. And as I said earlier, the answer should not be in decimals like 2.5 or 2.5. It should be complete answer. So you need to rate either 2, 3 or 2. So when you coming to section 2, here also the process of answering the questions will be same. You will be given two situations, but here the highest scoring will be 3. The answer should be between 0 to 3. When you add both the answers, it should be equal to 3 but not less than 3 or more than 3, and you should not use decimals here also. For example, we will take this question. I will only be satisfied with high standard of living. I wish to have considerable influence over other people. In this situation, I can rate 1 and 2. So when we add these both, the answer will be 3. Or else you can add 0 for this or 3. And these answers are based on my opinion. So you can answer on your own, which you feel. In the same way, you need to complete the remaining 35 answers. I advise to take this test in your leisure time so that you can answer everything by taking your own time. Thank you. I wish you all the best.